Good high.
There it is, that sound of freedom.
Track 2, cleared high.
You'll see the smoke first when he shoots, then you hear the rounds impact. See the rounds impact, then you'll hear it.
Track 3, cleared high. Good hit, Stu. Crack 1, affirmative, all jets Winchester. Copies, request 1 by show of force, each aircraft over cruising position.
All right, everyone, get ready to cover your ears. They're going to give us a show of force. Not only is that for the air show, but in an actual combat environment, we use that as well. If we have enemy forces or just someone around that we don't want to be around, we'll ask the aircraft for a show of force, and they'll come by and let the enemy know that they do not want to be in that area.
I think by now they got the message.
Cover those ears. Here comes number 2. In the back.
Correction 112 and 10, let's switch your safety stop back. Some ground commanders and
Vapor on the wings.
Security cleared up, contact QC,
I think if I was an enemy insurgent, I'd be running.
Go on, continue.
That is one of those highest responsibility jobs you can have at the youngest age in the Air Force, is operating that boom. Refueling $2.2 billion aircraft like the B-2, you don't want to put a scratch on it.
Yeah, it looks like
the thin profile on these aircraft helps limit their radar cross-section. That means that the enemy radar cannot detect them. They do stealth up before they cross the fence into enemy territory. What that entails is classified, but I know it involves tucking a radar, or sorry, their antenna back in. That's unclassified. When they open their bomb bay doors, that does slightly increase their radar cross-section. But those bombs are already in the air before the enemy sees it coming.
Oh yeah, car focus. Shoot, where'd he go? There he is.
See if you can count them as they fall.
Door is opening.
There they are. I've got 5 in the air. Splash. Now imagine if those had been a live munition.
Target.
Definitely done the job.
Cleared high. Misty 1-2.
Their call sign is Misty.
Right. Oh, there he is. Okay. Shoot, where'd he go? Ah. Oh, that was cool. You can see the clouds on the Bombay doors.
Count 5 away
Okay, set up and record.
as he disappears into the clouds.
2-1-2 on 5. 8-1-2, good pass. Bracket's targeting it.
Misty call sign appropriate. Very.
And there he is.
There he is.
See if we can count 5 or see if we can count 10. I got 5. That means 10 on the next one. There it is. You got 5 bombs away.
2-1-2 on 5. Visual your bomb. 5 good ones.
There's their impact.
Alright, Smoky Hill, you can contact Kansas State Center when you're ready. Cleared off range. Have a good day.
I still don't know what.
He's been cleared hot and he's just maneuvering into position to drop his munitions, expecting 10 GBU 50s, 500-pound inert munitions. I see 10 in the air.
1-1 on hot.
All right, that's it for our P2s. They're headed back to Whiteman Air Force Base, Missouri, off to the east.
Oh, whoa.
Here come the C-130s dropping flares against these infrared threats. You see the missile going up and the aircraft flying right through the smoke there, dropping his flares.
Where'd the third one go?
He's been cleared hot for flares, so we should get a good show here in a second. multiple patterns those aircraft can punch those flares out in, and they're all specifically designed to beat specific types of threats.
There goes the rocket.
They're carefully tested and timed and punched out different areas of the aircraft to defeat whatever threat happens to be in the threat environment they are in.
That was